we have now done our second challenge, and what I'd like to do now is to move on to another challenge where it asks you to get the user to actually input something. Okay, so we're going to say File, New. This time we're going to save it, and I think you're getting the idea here now. We're going to have MASH 3. We're going to save that, and we're going to start working on it. Now, as you remember, in MASH 2, what we did was we changed the variable so that it would come up with, every time we typed in the word veg, it would show butternut. Okay? This time, however, what we're going to do is we're actually going to ask for the user, the person who is using it, could be your next door neighbour, to actually put in their own vegetable. So just to make it a little bit more fun. All right, so what we're going to be doing, instead of us using veg as our variable, we're now going to be saying veg equals input. All right, so input is what the person is actually going to type in. You can see that it's changed colour. It's this blue colour here. It shows it's one of the functions within Python. We're going to open up our brackets, use our speech marks, and we're going to put in here, type in the name of a vegetable. So this is an instruction for the user telling them exactly what they need to do. Okay. Right, so this will ask the user to type in what they want. So what we need to do now is we need to just save this. Okay. I'm now going to paste in the poem that we've been using. So print mashed, and we've replaced these now with variables, veg, 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 and veg. So what we're going to do now is we're going to save it. We're going to run the program, and at the bottom here it says type in a name of a vegetable. I seem to have lost this, hold on a second. Lovely. Okay, so we're going to put in the name of vegetable. So I'm going to choose, let's say I'm going to choose, I'm going to be a bit silly and put in jelly instead of a vegetable, and we'll see what comes up. So I've written in jelly. If I press enter now, the rest of the code will come up, and it will actually show you mashed jelly on the ceiling, jelly on the floor, stewed jelly in the corner, jelly upon the floor. So all of our inputs have worked, and our user probably at this stage feels quite excited because they've been able to effect a change in the program that was running on the computer. So let's see if you can do that. Make sure that you make it work. Get your friend to type in something that's sitting next to you and have a little bit of fun.